Hi guys, Silverfang here. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Today I'm going to be making slime, and I hope you guys like it. So let's get started. This is in a bag because someone took the cap of it.
Die! Get freaking ring! Freaking ring! Oh, that's it then. I got the drum pad. No, I haven't heard of.
Nikki, what color should I do?
What are our choices?
Cool red, cool yellow,
Oh, cool.
white, then we have black, and cool blue.
Oh gosh, cool red.
Okay, that's going to be a rosy color. Can you hand me a spoon?
Yep, I can.
Or one of those wooden stick things that screwers or whatever they're called.
Oh, I don't know where they are. What would they be?
I think behind the coffee machine. Because I need it or I can't stir them.
You get me.
Thank you. Yeah, I'm going to put it together once. Where are the bigger ones?
Oh,
There they are. Got a tiny hole into this. Okay, let me bring this to my station. Raj is here. Princess here. I hate trying to get these things out of here. I'm gonna go get my scissors.
you want me to hold that for you?
Yep.
Do you need ammo?
Station. That's my slime station right now. Till I get my station ready for the other videos to come.
Where? Oh, he's going to skydive. Whoa.
This is how the slime's coming.
Hi.
It's a very pretty rosy color.
It is pretty.
I'm dying.
Trying to stir it so
Look at these fabulous paints.
now we're going to put
Don't go after him.
the edge sensitive skin with aloe. Shaving cream.
Oh yeah, I'm good. Oh, no way.
Makes a funny sound.
Does it smell good?
Yeah. Stick.
Oh yeah.
Not very much so glue anymore. Now we're gonna put some baking soda in.
I could almost get a jubilation.
It's getting softer. Ooh, I like the color it came.
Let me see.
It is now.
Oh, yeah.
That's a pretty color. It's like an orange. Orange is pink. Now we're gonna put saline solution. Eye contact solution is pretty much what it is.
Okay. Yeah, I'm ready. Should we go play some cards?
It's coming together a little bit slowly. I don't squeeze it. I let it drop by itself.
Oh,
So
wait,
you
what?
squeeze it, you might put a little bit too much
That's why.
or a little bit
My
too
game's
less.
already.
Okay.
So I just let it drop.
Yeah, I
Sensible approach.
Yeah. It's coming together slowly. Slowly but surely.
Ooh, yeah.
It's alright. Yeah. It's coming slowly, very slowly.
I'm not ready. Dude, I'm already in the game again.
And then I'm gonna cut open the squishy.
Oh, yeah,
in 2
yeah.
minutes.
Oh,
It's more like an ice pack squishy.
okay.
I got it from my homeschooling thing. No, I was not homeschooled all my life. I just started this year.
You'll have to do a video telling people about that process and what you do and what you like.
You watch Thanos game?
Homeschooling is not for some people. That's all I have to say. It can be
Oh,
boring
go to Sun Shores, right here.
and it can be
Last
fun.
jump out, watch
You
next
can
one, right here.
wake up
Jump out, jump out, jump out.
late, like at 10 or whatever
Yeah,
time.
right here.
You can do school in your PJs, eat whenever you want. But you have to finish all your schoolwork on that day or you'll get in trouble. Everything. So, yep.
So you have to be self-disciplined, right?
Yep.
This one, right, all the way over here.
That's a TV in the background, by the way. And my brother talking. He's playing Fortnite. He should be coming out with his own YouTube channel soon. And I think it's going to be called
Please. No, I don't want to die. I don't
Awesomeness or something. I don't know, but he's coming out with it soon. And when he does come out with it, I'll tell you what it's about, what it is. You can go check it out.
Good plan.
Yeah. It looks like a lollipop, like one of those unicorn pops.
Oh, yeah. Don't imagine it tastes like one, though.
No, probably tastes just like
One
one.
guy killed 2 people. Oh yes, I got a shotgun. Fine.
Here's a close up. Oh, ooh. It's coming together, slowly but surely. It's a little bit sticky.
Yeah, a little bit.
So hard with a screw in a plastic cup
Yeah.
because they both wiggle around. You can see.
Not yet. We're gonna get some brick. What? They start.
I'm in my PJs, so I'm not very professional.
That's okay. It's the natural look.
It's almost done. Oh, it's sticky.
Oh, I'm gonna shot it. No,
Pretty
no,
good
no.
slime.
Help me. Help me.
I like to have somewhat of sticky slime.
Yes.
I'm gonna name this slime my strawberry milk slime.
It looks exactly like that.
Ooh, it's coming together. And the slime that I finished, I'm gonna put in this cup. So if I have any slime at the bottom or anything, I can mix it and put it all in this cup, so I don't have all my slime in the cup I was making it all in.
Okay.
Almost done.
What are you watching? This video on the internet. It's called Angry Little Guy versus Dumpster. You posted that online? I post my videos everywhere who works here. Like, Boyd, Crazy Steve. Conceited guy uses mirror. He doesn't like it. Worked out well.
See how that came off my little stirring thing so quickly?
Yes.
That's what it's supposed to be like.
Okay.
3 times the handsome. But you have to watch this one. It is so funny. It's called Dum Dum Tries to Open a Bag of Pretzels.
It's like so awesome. I don't really use shaving cream or anything in my slime, but I should start.
What is Dum Dum? Whoa. Aster's video already has 17,000 hits. And look at all those comments. I can't believe this was caught on camera. I didn't think the stories were true. This is the best evidence I've seen of Littlefoot. And earn $500 a week from the comfort of your own home. Wait, people think Aster is Littlefoot. Littlefoot? What's Littlefoot? You know, I think there's an online video that covers that. Littlefoot is the name of a legendary, tiny, ape-like creature believed to inhabit the forests of the Pacific Northwest. And people say my Ask Jarvis vlog is just a vanity project. For decades, cryptozoologists have searched for evidence of Littlefoot's existence, but none has been found. Until now. Bowie, Aster will flip out if he sees this. Did he get good? Nothing! Just having a snack. Want some pretzels?
It's a long video because this slime is super sticky.
Hey, Piper, I heard you wanted to talk to me.
I'll do my cutting book and squish in my next video.
Okay.
But
You once said
Well, let's see what you have.
talking to a fine boy.
finished with my slime, and this is my awesome slime. I really like my slime.
Mikey told me you meant it as an insult. Would you forget that stupid pizza one? I need your help with something. You may not have noticed, but I don't know what that happy in person.
Alright, and that's the video. So please like and subscribe to my channel, Solar Fangs channel. And I hope you do. So, bye!